Hey guys, Jen from beautyriotx, and we're doing our Battle of the Boxes today. Although, I don't know if this is a premium box because it's much bigger than my other one, and it does say premium inside, but I don't know if it is. Maybe they just ran out of boxes. This I received in PR just in exchange for like a video review. But as per usual, I'm always honest in my reviews, so here we go. All right, the first thing is from Pure, and this is the Overnight Detox Anti-Pollution Moisturizer. All right, right off the bat, I don't see any alcohol in here, so that's fantastic. Oh my god, this is so cute. So, this retails for $34. Deeply nourish and purify your skin overnight with this Overnight Detox Moisturizer that drastically helps reduce the appearance of dry skin, fine lines, and wrinkles with intense hydration and anti-pollution technology. I'm intrigued. I'm definitely gonna keep it and try it. I hope it does actually hydrate. It has charcoal in it, which tends to like absorb oil, so I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping the other ingredients counteract that effect, but still has the good effects from the charcoal, because that is a good ingredient. The next is another box. This is from Lauren Francis. This is the Décolleté and Neck Cream Leave-On Mask. This retails for $58. This decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask will envelope the delicate skin to your décolleté and neck, reveal a velvety soft texture, and restore its youthful contour and tone. Rice protein, that's great. And probiotic complex, restorative extracts of white truffle and black currant, and a blend of shea butter and cocoa butter. Essential oils, I don't love essential oils and stuff like this. Ooh, it's got a long list of ingredients. And for those of you who have never watched me before, the first thing I always look at when I look at ingredients is alcohol. I'm not a chemist or a scientist. I don't know half the shit on here. I can't even pronounce half of it. But I know what alcohol is, and I know the good and I know the bad. The first thing I look for is any bad alcohols. I see simple alcohol, which is a bad one to put in skincare. It's all the way down at the bottom though. It does have a lot of, again, they're kind of more towards the middle to bottom though. They have a lot of essential oils in here, or extract, whatever. No, it looks like essential oils. Some of them are okay in skincare, but some of them aren't. Like, you don't want eucalyptus or citrus oils in your skincare. Okay, yeah, so maybe I'll try that too. Ooh, this is an amazing glass bottle. Very easily amused. This retails for $39, and this is the Odacite? I don't know. California Blue Aura Turmeric and Holy Basil Cleansing Water. I love both of those things in skincare. I actually take Holy Basil, like the vitamin. All natural, no rinse micellar cleanser, formulated to make cleansing quick, refreshing, and effective. Holy Basil and turmeric are infused with aloe, paired with salicylic acid and benzyl alcohol. I think that's in here, but it's all the way down at the bottom. There's not a ton of ingredients, which is also good. I don't use cleansing water. I usually use it like to get off swatches and stuff, but since this has other nice things in it, maybe I'll save this like for summer. That's when I tend to be the oiliest. You don't care, that's fine. This is the Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner. I think we've gotten this before in either this or Ipsy in black. I think save this for a giveaway, I'm not gonna use it. The next is something I've actually been really wanting to just get off Macari or Poshmark. I'm glad I didn't order it now. This is from alamarxoxo, the Pero Amaro Primer, Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. That's what I wanted to know about this. Is it sticky or is it like one of the silicone type kind of primers? Okay, so it's like nude shade. Okay. It's sticky and not slippery. I'm definitely gonna try this. I haven't actually found a good sticky one in a while, so I'm actually excited to try this. And the last thing in here is from Huda Beauty. This is the Pastels Lilac. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like because I'm most likely not going to keep it. I don't usually wear purples on my eyes. It's a very pretty, why can't I talk? It's very pretty, and honestly, if I were to keep it, it would only be for the metallics, but I'll never reach for metallics. And the nude shades in here, and I love, but I'm gonna pass this on to somebody who would like enjoy the whole thing. Still cool. You know, this video is gonna sound kind of weird because I filmed my other BoxyCharm that I bought that I do the battle against. I filmed it a few days ago before this came. So I'm just gonna announce the winner on the screen at the end of that video. So let's check out the box that I paid for. Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing BoxyCharm's February box. Let's get into it. The theme is XOXO. As per usual, we have a card, wonderful, with prices and information. I love it. The first thing is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Double Date Lip and Cheek Balm, maybe? A multitasking tinted and clear balm for hydrated lips and cheeks. This retails for $22. I was thinking to myself, oh, please be like orange or something. It's definitely pinky. Well, it's more pink, but oh, that is pigmented. Wow. I mean, it's not crazy, but like, it's very nice. I wonder how it's gonna hold up on top of like foundation, but okay. And I'll definitely try the lip balm too because I love lip balm. Next is from Saturday Skin, and the last thing they sent was like super duper like not for my skin. It was in like a tub. Like I'm almost positive this is like gonna be a tub. I'm pretty sure it was for like super oily skin because it was like a gel moisturizer. So this is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Hair in my mouth. Apply your moisturizer, leave on overnight, maybe use 3 to 5 times a week. I love sleeping packs. This retails for $29. A lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting a look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. And I love anything with vitamin C. And a little spoon it comes with. A nice little cap. Again, it is a gel. Let's see what kind of ingredients we're looking at here. Okay, so it does have an alcohol in it, but it's a good alcohol, so yay. All right, I'm excited to try this. And even though like it's a gel consistency, it's a sleeping pack, so I'm hoping it's not gonna be drying or anything. So, all right, the next, I don't know what this is. This looks like it's for little kids. Lumiere Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, $29.95. A package like this, I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm keeping this one, because it's exactly the kind of shape I love in a brush. Totally like a little girl kind of brush, but I'm gonna keep it. And the rest I'm going to put back in the bag and pay for like a giveaway or something. And they're like a crease brush, a liner brush, and then like a little tiny end brush. Or like these are the kind of things that like I'll save and I'll throw a brush in when I sell something on Poshmark and I just throw like freebies in. Next, we have something from Saint Luxe, and this is the limited edition liner duo. This retails for $40. It's a new launch, apparently. Oh, there's 2 of them. Okay, so they retail for $20 each. Okay, they're both lip liners. Oh, and they're both like nudie kind of brown colors. They're nice, actually. I'm gonna keep this one, like the lighter nude, the shade Love Letter, and I'm actually going to pass on the darker one. Actually, maybe I will keep it. It says lip liner, but I could definitely use this as an eyeliner. Okay, I'll keep both of them. And the last thing in here is a palette, it looks like, from Ace Beauty. It's the Nostalgia palette, and that's beautiful. And this retails for $38.99. That's pretty. Is it just me though? Like, I feel like all Ace, I can't say Beauty without feeling like an idiot. I feel like all the Ace Beauty palettes we've gotten in here just all look the same. It's just me. I am gonna keep this one though because I love this row. This looks like every other palette we've gotten in these boxes, but I love this row. So I'm gonna keep it for that reason. All right, so that was it. It was an okay box. I'm not like dying over it, but I'm excited for this. And I'm like, meh, over this. But yeah, I am kind of excited about the blush too. And to see if the lip balm's okay. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm this month. And stay tuned for more because I have a bunch of fun Get Ready With Me's coming up with a bunch of fun new products. So next time, I'll see you guys later.